Okay. And we're live. So how did you guys do with this section?
Um, Let me pull up my. I think I did some of them, but I don't even know if they're right. I'm still getting. I finally got the hang of the probability applet, and I was all excited because I started doing the formulas, and I was like, oh my gosh, I get this one so easy. But then when they took the formulas and kind of tweaked them a little bit, I would get confused. Or if they would do like the number minus the mean over the standard deviation, but then when they would divide it over the square root of something, I couldn't get that last little step, so it was
Yeah.
kind of here and there for me.
I felt like I had it down really well, and then I went to do the group work, and I was like, I cannot answer any of these questions. What is happening? So I did a few of them, but a lot of them I was just like, I don't even know where to start.
Yeah.
Yes, same. I did some, but I don't know if I did them right.
Yeah. Well, let's.
Did
Hold
you
on.
guys do number 3?
Yeah. Hold on, let me find it. Yeah, for number 3, I got 0.175.
That's what I got. So
Oh,
that's,
good.
well, I hope that's
You
right.
got one, Bethany?
No, I didn't get that.
What'd you get?
0.826,
Hmm.
but I don't know. I don't know.
Did you make sure the standard normal curve, what was to the right? What does that mean?
See, I didn't know what I should do right there, so that's probably why. Really quick.
Okay. We're just talking about what we all got for number 3. Did you work on that yet?
You know, I got through all of the instructions and the videos. I didn't understand it, so I didn't even try. So I'm sorry. I did do, Mondays I did that one.
Yeah, no, totally. We're definitely all in the same boat here then, because we all really struggle with this one.
Okay. Like there was one part I didn't even understand how they like 1 minus 2 plus. I'm like, where'd you get those numbers? I was really confused.
Yeah. No, totally.
So sorry. Continue. I'm sorry I'm late.
No, you're good.
Did you say you got 0.175 for 3? Okay, I got that now.
Okay, awesome. So we'll officially put that for number 3. I think it's right if we're all getting it. And then number 4, I worked on for forever. Oh my word. I seriously feel like I spent an hour on number 4. I don't know if it's right. I hope it's right. I got 0.027.
Okay, that's not what I got.
Oh geez, what did you get?
Negative 1.920, but I couldn't even tell you how. I guess I just need to go through it again.
I did get that. I got that for the Z-score.
Okay, so the part of it's in the right direction.
Yeah, no, totally.
So then mine's just not finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
well that's a good sign.
take the Z-score, and then, hold on, let me read the question again. How did I get this answer? Oh yeah, it was the P, the like more extreme.
Yeah.
So, where was the answer to that? By finding the area under the normal.
Probability.
Oh, so that's what you do. Okay, so you take the negative 1.920 that was the Z-score, and you put it into the applet
Okay.
as the Z-score, and then whatever comes up for the area, when you only shade in everything to the left, so like don't shade the middle and don't shade the right, just everything to the left.
Only that negative part, right?
Oh, I see that.
Okay, I'm on the applet right now. So what do you end up getting for the area? 0.0274? Did I do that right?
Yeah. I just
Okay.
put 0.027. You only wanted it 3 decimals.
Okay. 0.0.
Because if you look at lesson 7 under step 4, they talk about the p-value. And that's how they tell you to do it, so I don't know. I hope it's right.
Yeah. Okay. Number 5. Which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from the population?
What the heck does that even mean? I could not figure out this question for the life of me.
9 observations.
And I looked through like everything I could find about X and X with the line over it, and
Well, X with the line over,
Yeah, I don't know.
X with the line over it has to do with the standard deviation. Oh wait, no, that's in both of them. Holy crud. Never
yeah.
mind.
I was like,
Okay. Well, you know what? Isn't this cannot be determined from the information given, because this question doesn't say, like, for the one above it, like these for questions 4, 5, and 6. Like, we don't have any type of. I mean, that doesn't seem like an actual question to me.
yeah, that's why I was so confused.
Which of the following will have a smaller standard?
Yeah, I don't think you can get that answer. Because the X is the line number, that's the sample mean, right? And that's equal to the regular mean, like usually that's the same. So I don't think that has to do with the standard deviation.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think you can find that answer.
I don't think you can either.
I just always wonder, like, if it can't be determined, why are you asking us this question?
Right? But that has been the answer on several questions.
Yeah, no, it has been. So
It bothers me.
Okay.
then for number 6, I got the law of large numbers.
I got that too.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay, good. Number 7.
This is where I stop being helpful. Number 7 to 15. I do not understand number 7 because I feel like they're missing a number. Like I can't do for number 7 what I did for number 3 to find the z-score. You know how we found like the negative
Yeah.
1.920, but it's missing a number, so I can't even calculate it.
Let me see.
How do you even find the z-score then?
Hmm.
I'm so lost.
Wouldn't you just do
Oh,
like 160 minus the mean divided by 8.8?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. 160 minus 150.8, whatever that equals, divided by 8.8.
Okay, hold on. 160. 160 minus 150.8,
Yeah.
and then divided by 8.8.
Is it divided by the 8 point, or do
Yeah.
you also do the square root? When do you use the square root one?
That's what I'm confused on.
Yeah, I don't know.
Does that not come into this problem?
I don't know, but I know we don't have like a fourth number, so that's a good thing. Like we have the standard deviation, the mean, and then the extra number. So it fits in, it plugs into the normal, the easiest basic formula. For that, I got 1.045 for the z-score.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Divided by...
But in this whole lesson, in lesson 7, I think the entire lesson they use a number with over the square root of another number, don't they? Like every example is I don't
I
know.
don't know, when I was watching his videos, like he did the first one, like the basic Z-score formula, and then he went on to another one and added in the whole, what was that? I have it written down somewhere. The whole like square root thing. But 1, 2, 3. Well, I don't know. That's where I got lost, was the square root thing, because I felt like he didn't detail it enough.
Okay. Well, maybe you're right. Because I just want the z-score. For the z-score, you don't have to do the square root.
No, this for what I'm seeing for the using the square root, like the titles of the things that he gave were distribution of sample means when parent population is normally distributed, and then the other one was distribution of sample means when yeah, the same thing. So when the sample mean is normally distributed. That's the only two that have that type of wording for the square root. The other one, just the z-score, is area of probability. I don't know if that helps at all.
So what did you guys get for the z-score?
1.045.
Okay, that's what I got.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so we don't even use the applet for that.
No.
Okay, that's what I was on. Figured it out. Okay.
But we'll use the applet for number 8.
Yeah, for number 8, because you remember when he was talking about that, what was that, the 35th percentile in that video, how to get it and stuff like that? I think this is similar to that. Did you watch that? That you did? Did you put... Let's see.
So what formula are you guys using for number 8?
I don't think we use a formula for number 8. I think it's just plugging in the 160
Into what?
in the applet. But how do you reset this applet to where it's like ready to go? Is mine?
I think you just have to type it into the bottom square. The two little squares. So I got 0.148. Anybody
That's
else?
what I got. I got that too.
0.148.
Yeah.
Okay. Eight. Okay.
Okay, for number 9, we find the mean first, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
That's normally the first step.
Okay, and that I got 160 for the mean. Anybody else get that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. That's see, let me find the z-score.
It should be the same as number 7, right? Since it's 160.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So just 1.045.
Yeah, that's what I'll put.
Oh, duh, it would be the same thing, huh?
Sorry. I don't even know where to start with number 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that.
Are we all just staring at it?
What is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved? Well, there's only 5 students at all time. 5.
Hmm. I don't even know how to figure this out.
I have
To do
no
a
idea.
math problem for this? My first thought was, well, it's only 5, so the probability is low. But that probably makes 0 sense. But that's what I thought in my brain. Is this due today? I don't remember.
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see if I can find an example that's similar in the homework, but
That's what I was going to look at, but is there nothing?
I'm not seeing much.
I'm not seeing anything.
Should we just skip it for now?
Yeah.
I can't find anything. I don't know how to answer that one. Okay, so for 11, that's where we do the square root of it, right? Because we do the square root of n, right?
I'm not sure, but I think number 12 is 3.5.
This is like physically painful.
Right? Okay, how did you get the 3.5 on number 12?
Yeah.
We're reading through it's in the, what's it called, lesson 7, the actual lesson 7, and there was a question that was similar on there, and it seems like a trick question, but it's what is the mean, or was it something that the guy in the video talked about? I don't know. It was one of those two, but what is the mean of the distribution of the sample means? It's just that and it's just what it says. Does that make sense? Suppose the mean of the GPA of students is 3.5. That is the actual sample means.
Oh,
It seems tricky, but it's like
got it.
it is what it is type thing. Where's it at?
So then 13 would be like 0.7.
I think so.
Asking for the standard deviation.
I think so. I'm gonna look on here and see if I can find where I found it at.
Right? Yeah, that should be right on 13 because the x, the random variable x, is equal to the mean, right? And I just want to know. Wait, I don't know. Because it needs 3 decimals. Doesn't it?
Oh,
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
I feel like this lesson is so short and small, and all my answers should be in this lesson, and I can't figure it out. Oh, gosh.
I always feel like that when I do the homework that I should be able to find all the answers in the homework somewhere or like in the lessons, and I usually can't.
I was proud of myself today because I managed to get a D instead of an F on the homework by myself, so I mean it's better, but
Good job.
I'm understanding something.
Did you do the homework for this lesson or for the last lesson?
The last lesson.
Oh, okay. I haven't done either of them yet, but I was like, man, you already did the homework for this one?
No.
I think I'll definitely be getting an F on this one.
I'm just hoping the more F's and D's I get, the sorrier he'll feel for us, and like the grades will keep going up magically.
What is that about? I'll take it.
Yeah. I think if people keep meeting with him on Tuesdays and complaining, he really probably thinks like, okay, they're not getting it, so maybe I should throw some questions out. So I'm going to continue to meet with him on Tuesdays.
I had asked him about recording it because I can't come on Tuesdays for work, and he said he can't figure out how to record it. Okay.
But we have to figure out how to record it?
Yeah.
Exactly. I'm like, it's not that hard. Come on.
That's funny.
Funny. Oh my gosh, where is this one?
Okay, so 12 we're just going to say is 3.5. Is that what we're guessing? And then 13 is 0.7.
Yeah, but I'm afraid that, like, if you're right about the 3 decimal place thing
Okay,
on 13.
I just started typing in 0.7, and then I have a Mac, and so underneath it said 0.726. Like, told me, I don't know if it told me what the answer was.
Yeah.
I'm going to laugh if that's really the answer, because I started typing it in. It's like it auto-filled.
Oh, that's crazy.
But last time he asked for 3 decimal places, and we all put 0.100, and it was right.
Yeah.
So maybe he was just trying to trick us.
Okay, well, number 14. Okay, does this have to do with the probability, the applet? Because you know how, like, the left side is less than and the right side is greater than?
I feel like it has to.
Yeah.
How else would you figure that out?
Put 81, what would it, or you just do 3.3 in the z-score? Or do we have to find the z-score in order to put that in? I don't know. We'd have to find the z-score, right? 2.3%.
Well, I did the z-score. I think I did it right, but it came out to 110.714. That's why it sounded weird to me, because normally there's not that many numbers in front of the decimal.
We have to do some kind of equation, or else why would they give us so many numbers? They're totally tricking us. Okay.
No, so many. I think this is the whole square root thing.
Yeah.
Because that's that extra number, that 4th number. So then,
Where's the 4th number?
well, the 3.3, because we're using like the mean and standard deviation for number 11. We're using that problem for those numbers. So, and then the 81 students, n equals 81 students. So those are 3 numbers to put in an equation, and now we're dealing with 3.3, which would be a 4th number, which I'm wondering if that's that whole
I
You
think
know,
you're right.
the standard deviation over the square root of n.
My calculator doesn't like it when I do this stuff. Freaks out. Okay, so I got a z-score of negative 2.57. But I should do that again just to make sure, because my calculator has not.
Does anyone know what the square root of 81 is?
9.
9? Okay, that's what I thought. But I'm bad at that type of stuff. Okay, so then, what is it? 3.3. No, what's the standard deviation?
0.7.
Dang it, how do you plug this 3.3 in there? Okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay. Yeah, I got the same answer twice, so.
0.7.
Let's see. Oh,
That makes sense. What is this one?
I got 0.005.
0.075?
No, 0.005 for the, like, the final answer.
How did you get that? Like, what did you do with the 81 and the 3.3?
So I did, like what you said, I put the 3.3 minus 3.5
Yeah.
over the standard deviation divided by the square root of 81.
Okay.
And then I got negative 2.57. And then I put that in the applet.
Applet, yeah.
And
That
then
makes
change the left, so it's less than.
So then how do you get the greater then? Because that oh, you just shade the other side, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so then what does shading the other side give you? Because that sounds right.
0.994.
994.
Mm-hmm. I hope that's right.
When I
Anybody else
shaded
think
the
the
other
same?
side, I got the same 0.005.
You got the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good then, right?
Yeah.
Me, that makes sense for those two. I don't know, what do you think, Bethany?
It makes the most sense to me. When you explained it, it made sense.
Hmm.
What did you get for the other side when you did it for the second time?
For number 15?
Yeah, I said 0.994.
Yeah.
Ashley, you got the same thing on when you shaded the right side?
Well, I got the same thing that I did on number 14, and for some reason I can't get what you guys are getting.
So it should be the
Yeah, I
same.
can't get it.
Shade the other side.
Oh, you're
shading the left side.
shading the center. Is that it?
Yeah, I think you shade the whole thing greater than the negative 2.57, right? Like you shade the whole. the whole portion,
Yeah.
even including the other tiny little space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so then the only thing we're stuck on is, what do we stop on? 13?
11. I don't think
For
we have.
number 11, I got approximately normal. And that's
Because it's greater than, like, is it large sample?
yeah. And it's the same as if you look on the homework key, number 11 on, number 11 on the homework key is the same, basically.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And then none of us can figure out number 10.
It's
No.
it is the probability, which is like the 14 and 15, where you have to actually do an equation where it says what is the probability, but we don't have any numbers to plug in except we have, unless number 10, is that part, oh, it's part of number 7. Okay, so we do have some numbers. But we don't have, let's see.
Well, what if we plug it in the same as we just did for this other one when we were given? Wouldn't it come out the same answer? 5 randomly selected.
Let's see.
Well, greater than, so it's the whole z-score with the applet, just putting it to greater than, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right. Like we do 150.8 minus, well, 160 because
160.
maybe. Trying to find another number. Yeah, because that's the mean.
Yeah. Because what is it all? Yeah, so 160 minus 150.8 over 8.8. And then the z-score, put it into the applet for the greater than side.
Wait, so we have to find the we found the z-score, and then we have to plug that in? Is that
That's what I'm assuming, just to find the greater than portion of it.
To find, what's that called? The random sample? I'm so confused.
What is the probability that 5 randomly selected students score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem? Yeah, I think it's just putting, because the z-score is 1.045, right? So, I know it's tricky. It's like, is it as simple as putting that number into the z-score and doing greater than, or is it worse than that? We'll put it in and see if there's like 4 decimal places that it can be rounded to.
Well, it comes up with 0.1480. But I'm wondering if we take, I don't know. No, because we don't have the z-score. Well, I think you're right. Maybe we just plug in the z-score and just go to the right. Because on number 14, we had to do that big long equation just to get the z-score.
Yeah.
Just to plug it in, and then we had to find out greater than or less than or whatever. I don't know. Does that make sense? Kind of.
Yeah. I mean, it does. I don't even know. It makes sense to me, but I don't even know if this is done right. So. But it makes sense.
So true. There's been many times where I'm like, I got this, and then I really don't.
Oh my gosh. I don't even.
Sorry, what did you guys get for 15 again?
0.994.
Yeah, that's what I got too. So for number 7, never mind. Sorry. I would say if number 7 is right, then number 10 should be 0.148. Because if the z-score is right in number 7,
Do we round it up to 0.1? Oh no, it has to be 4 spaces, right? Or 4 decimal.
oh, this one doesn't have a fourth. It's like a 0 at the end, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, that's confusing. Yeah, it's a 0.
Mm.
So n is the random number, right?
Yes, that's normally, it's called like a random sample or something. Yeah.
So I think we need to, because it says the 5 randomly selected students.
Oh,
have
duh.
so do we
That
have to
would
use
be the square
5?
root. So you would get the square root of that, right?
Yeah, so it's like we did number 7, the same numbers, but we take the square root on the bottom.
By the standard deviation.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay.
And then we put that into the applet. I think.
Okay.
So far, have you gotten 3.935
For
for
the
the?
Z, I got 2.337. I think the 3.935 is the
I did.
8.8 divided by the 5 or the square root of 5. I think that's
Yeah,
the
I
bottom.
did. Yeah, that's what I did. Mm.
Okay, so the final answer, I got 0.0097, which would make sense for the 4 decimal points because it's going farther out.
And what did you say you got? 4 point.
For the z-score,
Uh-huh.
for the z-score, I got 2.337.
Okay.
Let me do that again. Make sure. Yeah, I got 2.337. Was the homework due today too, or is that due on Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday.
What did you guys get for number 3?
Number what?
Number 3? Okay, 1 or 0.175.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You want me to just turn it in? I think it's my turn.
Okay, this part. Okay.
Hold on, I don't. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
What?
Okay. I'm going to do it. Okay, not horrible. Let's see. Okay, so number 4 is wrong. Number 5 is the distribution of the sample means is the answer.
Okay.
Number 9 is wrong.
Yeah.
Number 10 is right. So the one with the change, so it's 0.0097.
Wait, number 10, 0 point.
0097.
I don't even have that in there.
But yeah, number 9 is wrong. So I don't know why.
How's that wrong?
I don't know how number 4 was wrong. I worked on that for like a million years.
Right? Who knows?
Oh gosh.
We won't know until next Tuesday until we can maybe
I know.
ask. And then we've all forgotten about it because we're studying our new stuff.
Yeah.
Let's
What else is wrong?
Number 13 was wrong.
Dang it.
14, 15 are right.
So 14 was 0.005, and then 15 was 0.995, right?
I put 0.994.
Oh.
Got it right.
And then 12 was 2.5.
3.5.
3.5.
Where am I putting these numbers in? Fucking crazy. And you said 10 was wrong or 9 was wrong?
9 is wrong. 10 is right. So 10 is 0.0097.
Yeah. Okay.
10 is wrong. I don't know. I don't know why.
And then 8 was 0.148.
Yes.
And 7 was 1.045.
Yes.
Okay.
So for sure, we know that number 5 is the distribution of the sample mean. So you should get at least a little bit higher than me, because that one is right. I don't know why the other ones are wrong. So sorry. I don't know. I don't understand number 9. It says if number 7, the z-score is 1.045. So we actually have to do an equation probably. Because look at the bottom, it says the z-score of 4 mean and randomly selected values is given by, and then it gives us the equation. So I'm guessing you have to do that equation. But that looks like the equation to find the z-score. So that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna actually let you girls go. I'm actually I'm at church. I'm at Relief Society. I stuck into another. So I'll let you go. I'm like, I can't miss this. I need help. So.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, thank you for coming. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Bye.
Hi.
Oh my god. Number 4 is like a mess too. I don't even know where to start with it.
Yeah.
I'm getting confused.
Yeah, I don't know.
I've given it all I can give.
I don't know.
You said number 8 is 0.148?
Yeah. 0.1.
Yeah, what's the right answer?
With number 4, did you put that in the applet when you found the z-score?
What was that?
Number 4, when you did it, when you found the z-score, did you put it in the applet to get the final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we got the same z-score, so I figured that would have just the right answer.
Trying to go through.
You know what? I think I figured out what I did wrong.
What?
Hold on.
Trying to figure out what I did. What the heck? Why is it coming out 0 now? That makes no sense.
I think the right answer is 0.055.
And 0 point what?
0.055. Because I was looking at one extreme. I think they want both extremes. Because now it's... I don't think I caught that before where it says either above or below. And I think I was just doing below.
So then 0.55 or just 0.55?
0.055?
Okay.
I think that's right. That has to be right. Like, come on. I feel like these home studies do not help you very much. Because it's like, if you're not showing me how to get the answer, then how do I even know what I'm doing?
Yeah, I wish you would explain it.
Yeah, I think that would make it like a super helpful assignment, whereas this is just
Yeah.
off.
I agree. Well, do you know what made me sad is my 6th grade son comes to me with homework and he's like, I don't understand this problem, and he's doing histograms, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like how can I not understand stuff if he's doing the same stuff as me pretty much? Like, that's ridiculous.
Well,
Number 13 was wrong, she said, right?
Yeah, that's the one I'm trying to figure out right now. I've abandoned ship on the other one, but I'll figure this out.
I hear you. I need an A so my grade averages to a C for my homework this week. God.
So what did you get originally that was wrong?
For what?
For number 13.
We had 0.78.
I just got 0.009. Because it's asking us to find the standard deviation, which should just be 0.7
Yeah.
over 81.
Is it the square root of 81?
Oh, my bad. Yeah, you're right. Hold on. Let me redo that. So I got 0.077.
Well, that's a totally different answer than the other one, so it's worth a shot.
Yeah, better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah. And that gives us 3 decimal places because before we were only 2, so that makes sense.
Gotcha.
I have no idea what mine is. Oh my gosh, you scared me.
Yeah,
Are
that
we
one's
putting that up at
confusing.
all? To 0.078, or do we just keep it 77? Or yeah, 77.
Oh. I'm just going to put 0.77 because there's a 7 after it, so I never know what to do in that situation.
Yeah. Okay, number 9.
Oh, wait, no, you're right. That would be 1 above it. Oh my gosh, you're totally right. I'm so glad you're here.
Wait, so 0.078.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're totally right.
I honestly think number 9 is the same exact as number 7. I say that because it's the same exact question in different form. Like, because when you add up that whole mean, it ends up being the 160, so you're working with the same exact numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know how you do it any other way.
Like, I don't understand how that's wrong if number 7's right.
Yeah, because what did we have before on number 9? I already erased it. I don't even know.
I erased it too.
Well, I know it wasn't the 1.045. And
Oh, okay.
I'm wondering if it's just the same exact answer.
Yeah.
7 through 10, you're using the same problem for 7 through 10. With number 9, when you add all those up, you end up with 160 anyways.
Mm-hmm. All right. I'm going to go ahead and submit it because I'm done.
My brain's fried.
Yeah. Ooh, I got an A.
Wait, what did you put for number 9, though?
Number
Oh,
9
yeah,
is
me
the only
too.
one we got wrong.
What did you put for it?
1.045.
Dang it! Okay. I'm gonna send
But you
it.
still get an A. So, I mean, as long as we all put the same stuff.
Yeah, that's the only one I got wrong is that one.
Sweet.
Yeah, same.
Well, an A's an A.
Yeah, it's better than better than nothing.
Okay. Good deal, girls. Good deal.
All right.
And
And
then
then,
next week, when are we meeting? Say
I
it
know
right. Cool.
Cindy can't meet in the evening. Is Monday morning still okay for you guys?
That's fine with me.
Actually, Monday, my girls have a dentist appointment, and then I have to drop them off at school after. I don't think I'll be back until Maybe anywhere from 10:30 or 11.
I could do that.
How does that work for you, Bethany? Like
I have-
11 California time, so what? 12 Mountain Standard Time?
Yeah.
I have a class that gets done at 12:30, so I could do it like after that.
Well, we can do it after that. That's fine.
So that would be. So what time
Like-
would you be back?
So I could be back by 11:45 your time.
Okay.
So do we want to do just?
Oh wait, 11:45 my time. I have to take my daughter to preschool. I leave the house at 11:50 and I get back at like 12:10. So we push it a little bit to like 12:15,
yeah.
1:15. Is that what it would be for you?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Bethany, when do you go to work?
Not till 4 o'clock your time.
What our time? Okay. Okay, so wait, what time did we come up with? I'm so
Tuesday
confused.
work better? Because it's due Tuesday night.
Well, but you guys meet with the teacher on Tuesday night, and I can't, and
What
there
if
was some,
Tuesday
oh,
morning?
maybe they can't meet Tuesday mornings, that's what it is.
Okay. Well, 1:15 my time, so that's 2:15 for you?
Yeah. Would that work okay?
Yeah, that would be fine if you want to do it then.
1:15 my time or 12:15 my time? Whatever works best for you. I'll just be home by 12:15 to 12:20 at the latest my time.
Oh, okay. So then that,
So 12:15 your time.
12:15 my time, yeah.
Okay.
And if I
Okay, so
decline, if I don't answer the call, it's because I'm driving home, and right when I get home, I'll just accept the invitation.
okay. So we'll do 12:15 California time,
Okay.
1:15 Bethany's time, or
yes, that'll be fine.
On Wednesday, are we still doing 7 at night? Wednesday?
yeah, does that work okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay,
Okay.
so Wednesday.
Wednesday at 7. All right. Game plan.
See you guys Monday.
Sweet. Okay, see ya.
Bye.
See ya.